Hello, everybody. Good evening. So nice to have you here. Look at all these people. That's so nice. Look at everybody showing up tonight. Yay! Love it, love it, love it. Hello, everyone. Let me know where you're from. Guys, hello, Chandra. I think most of us are from South Africa. I think the only person that we're going to have here is Michelle from Kansas. There's Michelle. Hello, Michelle. Hello, guys. Welcome to our webinar tonight. It's so nice to have you guys here. Please let us know where you guys are from Pretoria, KwaZulu-Natal. And I know that Michelle said that she's coming to visit us, so we're very, very excited about that. So, guys, welcome. If you are new here and you've been invited to tonight, and very, very welcome to our Legacy Builder program webinar. 1 week we do an English webinar, and 1 week we do an Afrikaans webinar. And we've got a very special guest tonight. We are very honored to have her here. I'm going to introduce you to her later. But let's start off, and let me just share my screen here and make sure that I am recording. There you go. Laken, can you see?
You are recording, yes. And I can
Am I
see.
recording?
Just need to
Okay,
present.
perfect. Okay, let me just put full presentation on you. There you go. Okay, perfect, guys. Welcome to the Legacy Builder Program webinar. Like I said, you've probably been invited with somebody. You wanted to know more about what this business is about. Please stay on mute for while we're doing this webinar. And you are welcome to ask any questions at the end of this presentation. And remember, there's no such thing as a bad question, like my dad always used to say. There's no such thing. It just means you are coachable if you're going to ask questions. So if you don't know me yet, hello, my name is Alana. I am a single mom from South Africa in Cape Town. I used to work in the corporate world for many, many years. I was overworked and underpaid, and I'm sure a lot of you might know what I'm talking about. I was literally never had money. I was always broke. I really tried my best, but yes, it's just, expenses are just going up and my salary stayed the same. So it was very hard for me to work for bosses. I always just felt like a number. I was mostly in the corporate world and mostly in sales. So that was very, very hard for me, trying to get customers. And I felt really fake doing that. But then I came across an amazing woman here on TikTok actually, and I was scrolling because I wanted to forget about all my problems. And I came across this lady, and she was telling me about an online business, and I was so scared. I thought I'll never be able to do that because I think I'm too old. But then she said that she was about my age, and I was like all ears, and like, oh, if she can do it, then why not me? I was very, very scared, but then I took the leap of faith. End of October 2023, and I jumped in with this business and never looked back again. I made my first million in 20 months, and I'm just so super grateful for this opportunity. And tonight, I hope we like to call ourselves Hope Dealers. We'd like to show you tonight what this business is about and how anybody can do this. So let's move on, guys. Yes, we are going to talk about how you can make money online and how you can build a legacy for your family, right? Because that's what we want. We don't want our kids to have to look after us. That's what I didn't want, right? So you might ask, Alona, who is this for? Who is this business for? Would it be for me? Well, it's really for any busy families out there. It's for people that are ready for retirement or have already retired. Or it's for people that are busy professionals that just want to make a little bit of extra money, maybe go traveling or something like that. So it's anyone who's ready to grow their existing business and create an extra income. And I think that all of us just need that little bit of, because there's absolutely no guarantees in life, right? Especially for me when I was working a 9 to 5. And I think we realized after COVID that there's no guarantee. You don't know if you're walking into your office in the morning that you're actually going to walk out with a job. And that's what the uncertainty is for a lot of people, right? So I just want to, for most of you that are here from South Africa, I just want to give you a little bit of background and some facts about what's happening in South Africa. In May 12, 2026, it was announced that South Africa's official unemployment rate rose to 32.7%, in the first quarter of 2026. That is up from 31.4% in the last quarter of 2025. So that is really hectic. And the economy shed 345,000 jobs during the quarter, bringing the total number of unemployed citizens to 8.1 million. And I think all of us know it's just so crazy out there. And a large majority of South Africans run out of money before the end of the month. Now, let me tell you, I know that one. 2 days after I get paid, I'd literally have no money in my account. I pay my rent, maybe a little bit of electricity, and that was me. And a study found that approximately 76% of people regularly run out of funds before payday, with more than half running out by the middle of the month. So I don't know if that's you. Put a one in the comment section if you know about that. So the financial stress is widespread through that over half of consumers worry about meeting monthly household expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. All the basic things that people cannot afford anymore. And according to a survey, about 46% of consumers go without basic necessities. And that is so sad. And, I've seen that with my daughters, some of the children at school. It's just so sad, to see how hard it is for families out there and how they are struggling. So yeah, about 50, what is, I can't even see there, sorry. 55% of South Africans live below the upper bound poverty line, meaning their income doesn't even meet both basic food and essential non-food items. So for person that in the national poverty line figures from stats says that a person needs at least 1,450 rand per month on the lower bound, which in dollars I would say is probably about 100. What guys, what do you think? 100? Not even $100. $90. Yeah. Like that? Yeah. $90 and 2,846 is about $150 just for basic needs. So if a family earns less than these amounts per person, their salary won't stretch across all the basic necessities with food, housing, and transport, etc. But I think we all know, right? People are struggling out there. Right, let me just move on to the next one. And I'm sure most of us know this scenario, right? I've faced this a lot of times. Right, so the unemployment rate is 32.7%. And we all know that is what it's going on in South Africa. And even people who've been to university, they can't even find jobs, right? So what is a family? A family needs finances because they need their basic needs and security. And if they don't, a child sometimes will go to school without breakfast. There was a scenario with my daughter. I know that one of her friends in a classroom, we sent sandwiches with them because they just couldn't afford to even send their children with sandwiches to school. And then there's a limited access to opportunities. There's a lot of talented children out there that can't join sports teams because the fees are too high, the equipment is too expensive, and that means it keeps them back, right? And there's a lot of emotional stress for families because they overhear parents arguing. I remember that with my parents about unpaid bills, and the emotional stress is just so high in families. And then there's a lack of parental presence because both parents are working, they're doing shifts, and they miss school events and sports, etc. And there's just no presence with the parents with the kids. And I also remember my daughter asking me one day, "Mom, can you come and help with driving to the hockey game?" And I had to say no to her because I just couldn't do that. And that really affects the self-esteem of our children because they start to believe that poverty is part of their lives. And that's quite sad, right? But now most people work, 8 to 10 hours a day for salaries between 15,000 and 20,000 per month. And that's the overworked and the underpaid because the living cost just keeps on rising and families are struggling so badly. But what if I can tell you tonight that you can earn in dollars? I think when I heard that the first time, I was like, yay, I want to do that because I'm from South Africa, because today, $1 will give you 16 Rand and 73 cents. That is a lot of money for us here in South Africa. And that makes a really big change for us here. And what if you could follow a program that is going to teach you step by step on how to earn $100, $300, $600, $900, or $1,400 from one single transaction? No experience needed. It's beginner friendly. You're going to have your own business, no more working for a boss, and you are the CEO of your business. And I think that's all of us. That's our dream to do that, right? Um, and what if it only takes you 2 hours a day? It's broken up in 10 minutes to 15-minute sessions throughout the day. You can do it whenever you want to. And the rest of your day is to build your dream life with your family. Now, I just saw today Zoe is one of our millionaires in South Africa. And she posted today, she said it was her very first time of waking up to $1,400. Guys, can you imagine waking up to 23,000 Rand in your bank account? When I heard that in the beginning and I saw all the people talking about waking up to money, I was like, oh, in my wildest dream. But let me tell you what, that first time you'll never ever forget in your life. So yes, and what if it's a plan that you can follow? Because it works, because over 61,000 people right across the world has already tested it. And over 9,000 people in South Africa has been doing this. We are almost the 10,000 mark. And this is just a map to show you that this is a global business. So this is so great. I mean, in our community, you can literally see how many people is where spread right across the world. And that's where I think everybody has come to realize that the whole world has gone digital. And that's the great thing about having a digital business, because it's the internet is 24/7 going on and everybody's on their phones, right? And you get the plan and you follow it step by step every day, whenever you have time. So it's in your time. You do it whenever you can. And that's the great thing. That's one thing that really stuck out for me, because I didn't have time to go find another job. A lot of us, we don't have the energy. We don't want to go find another job. And yeah, you do it whenever you can do. It's flexible and you've got no boss breathing down your neck. That's one thing I definitely wanted, right? And what if you can work from anywhere? You just need your cell phone, Wi-Fi, or your laptop. You decide any device that you want to use, you can use, right? So, oopsie, there you go. You work where you want. You are in charge of your finances. You work 2 hours a day while you build your family. I think that's what all of us want, right? And some of us think that it's so out of reach, but I really have good news for you tonight, my friend. That if you have $100 sale today, you will make 1,673 Rand with one transaction. How would that change your life today? $300 is going to make you over 5,000 Rand in one day. $600 is 10,000 Rand in one day. And $900 is over 15,000. And then like Zoe woke up to over 23,000 Rand in her bank account, right? Because almost 10,000 people in South Africa has already set up this business, and we own our own businesses, because now we have more freedom, because we are our own bosses. We have more time with our family, more money because we get a dollar income, and our quality life obviously is better and less debt, right? I think that's what all of us want. And that just for only 2 hours a day. How would that change your life? Right? And not over and above all the training that you get. And let me tell you what, the training there's so much training. And the great thing about this is you will earn while you learn. You don't have to go and finish all the training first, but we will also help you. Like here in South Africa, we do every Tuesday evening, I do extra training for people. And like tonight, we either have an English or an Afrikaans webinar every week. So there's always somebody that's going to help you, right? You're not going to be in this on your own. So we are a digital family building together, and you can build with us. Okay. So I just want to show you, this is just some snapshots that I took out of our community, right? Because you're going to belong to our community as well. Over 61,000 people. And yeah, Yaku says that he made in his first day doing this, he already made 2 sales. He said, my first day of marketing, and I got $200 sales already. Now, can you imagine that feeling? I mean, guys, that's about 3,300 Rand, okay? Shirley says here, I'm just so giddy and besides myself. What job could ever give you the freedom this business offers you? This puts me at $2,400 for the week so far, and the day is not even over yet. I think 2000 what? $2,400 is well over, I think 40, almost 40,000 Rand. And then Paula here, she's also a single mother, $3,200 in 18 hours, $2,300 today, and $900 yesterday, she says. And then she updated, she says, this right here will change your life. 23 months ago, God answered my prayers. I always love her little things that she said. This one's for you, Johnny Depp. And then Mark Strayer says he also woke up to his first $1,400 sale. He says, this morning I finally got to feel what it's like after reading Wind so many times in the morning to wake up with a bundle pack sale of $1,400. That bundle pack just hits different. That is for sure. I can so relate with this. And Felicia says here she made her first sale in less than 4 weeks. Hallelujah. She says, I got my first sale of $900. This is amazing. If a 60-year-old schoolgirl with no experience in tech has done this, then you can do it too. Absolutely love that. Oh, yay! It's time. It's time, guys. So, listen, I think most of you are here as well to meet the founder of this business. Now, usually when I have somebody that speak, I always ask them, and I did ask Michelle, I said, Michelle, what is the word? And she didn't even answer me. And I was like, Alana, how can you even ask that? Of course, the word is legacy, right? Because Michelle started this business. Yes, because that is the most amazing word. So I just want to, before we speak to Michelle, I just want to tell you what legacy actually means. And let me tell you what, when I read through this, let me tell you, that is exactly, I'm sure, what Michelle had in mind, A legacy of financial freedom. That's one of the meanings of legacy. Means a legacy is more than the money you earn today. It's the financial security, skills, and opportunity you create that can benefit your family for generations. An online business allows you to build an income stream that isn't limited by your time or location. And that is just so true, right? Also, a legacy of knowledge and skills is the greatest asset that you can leave behind. Isn't money, it's knowledge and learning valuable digital skills like marketing, content creation, and sales gives you abilities that no one can take away and that you can teach to others. Then another word for legacy is a legacy of time and freedom. It's building an online business isn't just about earning money. It's about creating the freedom to spend more time with the people who matter most. And when I read this, I think that's one thing that Michelle really stands for when she started this. And a true legacy is being present for your family while building something meaningful. And the last word is a legacy of impact. Every person that you help transforms through your business creates a ripple effect. By teaching others how to build income, gain confidence, and improve their lives, your influence extends far beyond yourself, creating lasting change in your community and future generations. So, Michelle, I'm literally getting goosebumps. Thank you so much for joining us, Michelle. Please, can you unmute yourself? I just want to stop sharing my screen.
Yes, I'm unmuted.
So, so nice to have you. There you go. Am I okay, Lakin? Hello, Michelle. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I tell you, we are all giddy and we couldn't wait to have you here. Thank you for joining us all the way from Kansas. Are you in Kansas now?
I am. I'm here in Kansas. And Alana, thank you for inviting me. This is so awesome. I love the energy, and your slides have been phenomenal. It's so cool to see, like what the comparisons and what you were showing, and how like one customer is really life-changing in South Africa. And I just got goosebumps seeing that. So, and I'm
Thank
so
you,
proud
Michelle.
of you and what you've been able to achieve, and that ripple effect that you've really created. It's an honor to be here.
And thank you to you for showing up on my For You page, Michelle. You really literally changed my whole life. I don't even want to tell you how much it changed But thank you for giving me and helping me have the courage to do this. But please just tell us about yourself. And for those people that don't know you, I know there's a lot of people here that I did a live stream before we started, and they just here to meet you. And I would love to hear your story. I'm going to mute myself.
Great, awesome. So again, my name is Michelle, and I just look at myself as a mom. Like I'm a mom of six, I'm a grandma to five, and time with my family is the most important thing to me. But I don't want to just have time with them watching TV. I wanted to be able to make memories, and I kind of wanted to be that yes mom. And I raised my kids on my own. I got divorced when I think my youngest was a year, and it was only my income. And I did everything I could to spend as much time with my children and not miss any of the moments. And I thought that was network marketing. That was going to give me more freedom. And how many of you guys have done network marketing before? Put in the comments if you guys have done that before. I'm not dishing network marketing. I actually love their products, but that comp plan was hard for me. I was trading time for dollars. I was having to live in DMs. I was having to bother friends and family. And I'm more of an introvert. I'm a shy, quiet person. And so doing that was hard. But saying no to my kids was harder. And so I tried that for many, many, many years. And in 2022 was the breaking point for me, and the company had changed the comp plan. And I realized at that point that I was just a contractor for that company. I had no control. And that was the moment my income dropped. And I started looking, I was searching, I was Googling, and I got myself so confused. I thought, you're just too old. You have to be an influencer. And those are, I never wanted to be an influencer, and you're going to have to learn tech. So I literally started thinking I couldn't do this. And I literally, one day on Facebook, I had heard about digital marketing and the resale rights. And I really looked into it. And I was like, I'm doing this. The downside of that, loved the program, but there was some monthly expenses. And I made my first six figures in 6 months in the US, made my first million in 17 months. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to create my own program that people can launch to have a system with no monthly expenses, because as a mom, that was important to me. So that's when I launched the Legacy Builders program. And our community actually in 9 months did $10 million. That went into the community's pockets. That was a lot of families that were able to get rid of one of the jobs. That was a lot of families that are able to go pay cash for cars, go pay cash for homes, be able to get back home with their children. And that was when I envisioned the Legacy Builders program, it was how can moms and dads and families have more time with their family without adding more hours, and no more trading time for dollars. And that's when I launched the beginner friendly program, because I realized we have all tried things before, but what is a simple to follow, beginner friendly way to make money, but you have complete control, which means nobody can change your income, nobody can take it away from you, and you can build your own email list and be able to leave legacies for your family. And I just wanted to help people get out of that generational struggle and be able to create a generational wealth. And I'll share with you guys, fast forward to today. So 2022, now it's 2026. My one daughter's a stay-at-home mom, but my other five kids, they're all self-employed now, because they learned from me that they don't have to depend on a boss. And so not only can this financially help you, but the person you become, and what your family watches, you're going to unlock so many other possibilities for them. And I truly love that. And I love how so many people will join knowing nothing and be able to make an income and unlock multiple income streams. And that's really the goal, without adding the hustle, without adding the grind, without living in DMs. And that was something that was so important to me. I love it. I love seeing the success. I was looking at those stories going, that's so cool, because that's what I always wanted. How can everyday people just like me be able to plug into a simple to follow system and be able to turn that into an additional income stream for their family, or let's replace my income and change my life income stream. And that's what I love.
Yeah, that's amazing. You know, Michelle, when you said to do something not as a complete beginner, I get so many messages from people saying to me, Lana, I don't know anything. I don't know. I don't know anything about this. And, for me, I don't even literally sometimes I have to explain to them. I just say, you know what? I didn't know either. When I started this, I was like praying. I was like, I hope this works. But it is so beginner friendly. I love your program because it's step by step. You can watch a video, pause it, do what you're told to do, unpause it, and go it in your own pace. So if you're a slow learner or a fast learner, it doesn't matter. Michelle, thank you so much for sharing your
I want to
story.
add something real quick, Alana, if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Sorry to interrupt
yeah,
you. I want to
please.
add something that was really important to me as well. Is yeah, you have like watch the videos, pause, and go. But I also know a lot of people purchase things and they don't complete them because they're by themselves. So that's
Yeah.
why with my program, I wanted to make sure people could be part of a community. The community you just showed, the digital growth
Oh, I
community,
love it. Yeah.
where I do live calls every Monday. Every Tuesday, we do a tech call to learn about the tech. And every Thursday, we have other people come on that are having success in the program and they do a call. Example, you're going to come on and do a call as well. So I love it that people have a one-time investment for the program, a one-time investment for their website, but they get live interactive mentorship every week so you don't slip through the cracks. So
Correct.
you have the guidance, and then you got a community where you can go in and you can see other people's wins, you can ask questions, you can post your wins. You just feel part of a family, and to me that was so important. I didn't want to create a program where it's like, hey, you bought, good luck. I wanted to create a program be
Yes.
like, okay, you took the first step, you had the courage to invest in you. Now let's lock arms and let's do that together. And I love it. I love what you guys have created, that I will be going, and I've talked to you about this. I want to be going
Yeah.
to South Africa in March of
Yeah.
2027 and do live events. And you're like, there's 3 areas. I'm like, okay, we'll go to 3 different areas because I would
Yes.
love to be able to sit down with you guys and help you in person as well. So that's something I think really makes our program unique. Not only the fact that you make 100% profit, but you have live mentorship at no additional cost.
Correct, Michelle. That is one thing. I'll be honest with you. If it was not for the community, I know I would have given up a long time ago. Long time ago. That is one of the things I think most of us, we are just so grateful that there's that community and everybody helps everybody, and just clocking into the community every day is one of my highlights, just to see what's happening, who's done this and what's happening and what have you got planned? So yeah, absolutely. If it wasn't for the community, I think a lot of us would have given up by now. So thank you for that, for all the interactive training. And you can ask questions. Yeah. Thank you,
Yes.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Let me carry on with this. Thanks again. Let me just share my screen again, guys. Thank you so much, Michelle, for sharing. Really, really appreciate you. Um, okay, let's carry on, guys. So the question is, why is a Legacy Builder program different? Because number one is you keep 100% profit with master resale rights. Okay. You don't have to chase clients, friends, or family. No tech skills needed, like Michelle said. You really don't need tech skills. If you can follow a recipe and if you can just follow instructions, you can do it, right? And $100 to $1,400 in one transaction in a day. That's what makes this so different, right? And you make 100% profit. You get a step-by-step blueprint that to help you start to grow and automate a profitable online business in just 2 hours a day. And if you don't know what automated means, don't worry. I also didn't know, right? You're going to learn. It's literally just going to work automatically in the background for you, doing the selling for you. Okay. You're going to get your own done for you digital store. So, this is not opening a shop where you only have a limited people that can visit your shop. You're going to have a digital store. It's going to be online. It's going to be there 24/7 for over 5.8 billion people that can find you, right? Because it's international. And all you do is you connect your PayPal and your bank account to your system. And when a customer pays you, 100% profit goes straight into your account. You don't just make a little bit of money, a commission, you make 100% profit. Okay. So can you see that this is not a pyramid scheme? Because I do get a lot of people say, oh, this sounds pyramid scheming. This. I also did that, I'll be honest, in the beginning. But here you have your own business with master resale, right? And you make 100% profit, right? Now, with a pyramid scheme, you're only going to get a certain commission. And what happens? You need to recruit people underneath you. There's no recruiting with this business, right? Every single person is actually going to find you. But we'll get to that. I know this sounds crazy, right? But I promise you it does. So what you're going to have is you're going to have your products, your digital products, and everything, whichever one you want to take, everything below your level is free and it's included, okay, in your digital store. And the key to this is master resale rights. You sell the done for you product of your choice in your digital shop over and over and over again. And you keep 100% profit. This is an e-learning program. So it's an online program and you get to sell it over and over again. It's just been created once, just like an ebook. If you sell an ebook, you created the ebook once and you can sell it over and over again. You keep 100% profit for the price of one. And we have already 30 people in South Africa who has already earned over 1 million rand with the Legacy Builder program. Okay. Now, what they did now, just looking at the $900 program, they bought the $900 program once and they sold it 57 times and they made R1 million profit. I mean, that's only 57 customers with no monthly fees, right? You get your automated system. Your business works while you are sleeping. Like Zoe said, she woke up to money in her account. You've got your online business that is automated 24/7, working in the background. You put in your 2 hours a day. It's a done for you business and no experience needed. Okay. Now the kind of customers that you'll be getting, right? It's a done for you business that you sell. Your clients could be wanting to learn skills to start their own business. They could be wanting to get this program to promote other businesses. I know I've got a customer in China who wants to buy the 1,400. He doesn't want to use the master resale rights, although it's a bonus for him always. But he just wants to learn how to promote his other businesses because he's opened quite a few now. He wants to build his own courses as well. So there's people that want to create new businesses and they're going to use this program for that. Or there's people that just want to resell it. So your customers can decide what they want to do with this business. Okay. So let me ask you, wouldn't you rather trade at your 8 to 10 hour workday for a 2-hour workday? You know, when I heard this, I was like, yes, I'd rather do that. Because for 25 years, I would get up every morning religiously, get up, get dressed, shout at my daughter to get ready, drop her off at a school that's still closed, and go and work 8 to 9 hours every day. Never had time for myself or my kids. I definitely do the 2-hour workday. It was a no-brainer for me. Okay. Now, this is just to give you an example, right? I know most people, I don't know, this is quite high. I never used to earn this kind of salary, but let's say if you earn 15,500 rand a month, okay? With this business, you can, with a $900 program, if you have 4 sales a month, you'll make 62,000 rand a month. That's what just because you'll make 15,000 rand per transaction instead of working 8-9 hours every day and earning $900 a month. That's crazy, right? If you say you earn about 23K a month, would you rather work for 8-9 hours every single day for a month, or would you rather have 4 customers where you're going to make actually 23K per day with one single transaction? That's 95,200 rand per month. And the great thing about this is Michelle also gives us every she either has a 30-day or 90-day run where she gives us instructions every single day in short videos telling us exactly what to do with our business. It's like she said, you know, she created something where you only have to purchase it once and everything else just is for free and you just plug in every day and follow. I'd rather follow a multimillionaire than go and follow my boss that breathes down my neck for sure. So you don't just keep 100% profit. You also have an interactive training program that helps you develop the skills to build a successful business so that you can build a legacy for your family. Okay. And all you need to do is you follow 5 steps every day. Okay. You just need to be consistent. Okay. Without overworking, you're going to follow a 2-hour blueprint, and the 5 steps that you're going to follow, you're going to watch 10 minutes of training. Sometimes it's not even 10 minutes. Like I said, we either have a 90-day run or a 30-day run. We just finished now. You're going to learn how to create marketing content. That's all you need to do. You're going to learn skills on how to create marketing content, how to reply to emails and WhatsApps. You know, we love our WhatsApps here in South Africa. You're going to learn how to post marketing ads and reply to comments. And you will get free ads that you're going to post on high traffic websites. That's high converting ads. Or you can do a live stream. So you decide which one you want to do. And what you're going to do is you're going to learn attraction marketing. What does that mean? It means clients are going to come to you. Because let me tell you, not one customer has ever have I gone to. All customers would come to me, okay? And there's around 5.79 billion people that use social media worldwide. This equals about 69.9% of the global population that is on the internet every day looking for your product because it's so high in demand. And like I've mentioned there in the chat box, that according to Forbes, they've said that in 2030 it's going to be a $1.5 trillion business. Okay, so you don't contact people, you don't bother friends and family, you never reach out first, and it's perfect for introverts. And I know Michelle also said, and Laken also is an introvert. That they are introverts. That's a great thing. You're going to learn attraction marketing. Clients are going to come to you. I cannot tell you the best feeling it is when somebody sends me a message to say, Alana, I'm ready. I get so excited for them to hear that. And all you do is you're going to learn how to use the apps that you already have on your phone, like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. All of these are free and you get to use them. And you're going to learn how to work smart to get people to find you online. So there's no finding customers, right? You can use faceless marketing as well. So what is included in your Done For You business? So you're going to get your e-learning program, that blueprint, that business plan that's going to teach you exactly what to do. You're going to get your own website, which I love because I'm not tech savvy. It's 90% done for you, right? You're going to get that automated system, just like you have Shein and Temu. It's got your email address and keeps on sending emails to you. You're going to have a system like that. It's going to do the selling for you and do the follow-up. And that's why you're going to learn how to work smarter, not harder. There's no hanging out in people's DMs, okay? And you're going to have the products on your website. Right. And then obviously the most important thing, interactive training from multimillionaires, okay? Because you're going to belong to our digital growth community where you'll get interactive training, okay? So whichever program you decide that you want to invest in, everything underneath is included for free, okay? You get 100% profit. Okay, so here's just to show you, we're just going to show you the 5 programs that are available. You can discuss this afterwards with the person that invited you as well. There's options, and that's what I love about this business. It's for everybody's budget and dreams, okay? We've got the $100 where you're going to get one income stream. You get the $300 US. If you take that one, you get the 100 for free. If you take the $600, you get the 300 and the $100 for free. And then our very popular ones is the Legacy Builder program. It's the $900 one where you're going to get 4 income streams. That one has got 228 e-learning lessons. You'll get tools for an online success. You're going to learn how to build your own products, how to build your brand, because that's what you need to do, right? Learn how to build your own brand and create extra income streams as well. Because we don't just want one income coming in, right? We want incomes to come from all sides, right? And that's what you're going to learn. And then obviously we've got our 1,400 bundle pack, which is very popular, our bestseller, and it's got 10 income streams on that one. Because Michelle said that she had a lot of people ask about if there may be a Spanish version. So you're going to get the 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400 in English, and you're also going to get it in Spanish. But with this one, most advanced AI training that you're going to get in that, you're going to get tools for online success, how to build your own brand, create extra income streams. And here, there's the most advanced AI training for marketing material, for personal branding, to create faceless videos, and to create your own digital products, and even create your own AI twin. Now, also what we have, the training that we have in here is a UGC is user, I always get so confused. User what? UGC. User, I always forget the name. User generated, user generated content. Sorry. So this is where you will, I'm sure you've seen online that people do videos for companies. They'll literally pay you like $1,000 for one video. So you're going to learn all the skills to do this. You're also going to learn how to do branded deals. And then there's TikTok Shop. Now you're probably saying to me, Alana, we don't have TikTok Shop in South Africa, but let me tell you, there's some news. I've heard that customer from China said that TikTok Shop is coming to South Africa. So this is the greatest time to actually start learning everything about TikTok Shop. And when TikTok Shop hits South Africa, man, we're going to be few steps in front of everybody, right? So that's what in the 1,400 bundle pack, that's what's included in there. Okay. You also have the chance to upgrade if you want to. So you start where you want to do. Like I had a customer, $900 customer on Friday. She sent me a message today. She says, Alana, end of the month, I'm upgrading because she saw the value in this business. Okay. So you have the choice to upgrade. You start with the one that you want to start with. Okay. No monthly fees. And that's what we love, right? We've got a lot of money going out. We don't want more money having to go out. You're going to invest once in this business. You get 1 to 10 income streams, and you use the program on a monthly basis with no extra cost. So there's only a one-time setup fee. You purchase your program, right? You buy your program. You will register with either $39 on the 4 and $69 on the $1,400. You do that once, and then you need to go and get your own domain and professional email. Now, I haven't seen one even more than 500 Rand, but it should be between $15 and $38. That's it. The only thing that you pay is once a year. You have to just pay for your domain again. But that's the only thing you do once a year. So yes, my friend, this is not a quick rich money making scheme, right? Because I don't know about you, I've been involved in a lot of those, and we know they all just run dry. This is your business that you are going to build a legacy for your family. You purchase it once, it's your business, and you can give it down to your children as well. And that's what I wanted. I don't want my children to have to look after me one day. You can build this legacy and hand it over to your kids. Okay. This is one last one. This is another lady, Christina. She does so well in our community. She says, yes, she made $10,900 in 3 weeks as a stay-at-home mom. She says, yeah, how is this even possible? Oopsie. Sorry about that. To make, sorry guys, to make an income like this for a hot mess mama that knew nothing about making money online. We are snowed in with an ice storm. I think it's in Tennessee. She says here, no school, no work, but my online business is always working. Been plugging in a little over a year and it doesn't feel real. I want to shout out to Daryl for being the best personal coach, and it was heard on the webinar that made me believe in myself and that I was coachable and consistent. And thank you for showing up, Michelle O'Neill. You see, this is what's happening, right? I remember on Sunday as well, my Wi-Fi was not working, but I had to go to a coffee shop just to do a little bit of work. And when I got in my car, I had a $300 sale. I didn't have Wi-Fi. My phone didn't even have Wi-Fi, but I still made money. And that's the beauty of this business, right? Your online business is always going to work for you in the background, right? And that's why we started this business, because we wanted less debt. We want more time with our families. You maybe want to go on holidays. That's why you want to start you want to start something, right? You want to go on those holidays instead of watching everybody on social media on their holidays and you stuck at home. And it's going to give you more peace and a lot of harmony instead of stress. Okay. And that is what the Legacy Builder will surely give you when you plug in and follow this proven program. Okay. So what do you need to build a legacy for you and your family? You need a business without expenses. Okay. A risk-free business. And that's exactly what this business is. There's no risk. You don't have to buy stock in. You don't have to ship stock to somebody. It's risk-free. You purchase it once and it's yours for the rest of your life. So, my friend, you can start with any one of the 5 programs. There's and you know what, guys? Can you believe it? There's less than 5 months left of 2026. In 5 months' time, it's 2027. So now is the time to make sure that 2026 is your best year. So, guys, well, thank you so much for being here. Is there maybe any questions? Lakin, do we have anybody here that's got questions? Let's see.
I don't see any questions on Alana. Does anyone have any
Okay.
questions?
Okay, let's see. No. So, guys, well,
Nothing.
please go back to the person that invited you tonight. Okay, they would have either sent you an email or they would have invited you via WhatsApp. Go and speak to them if you've got any questions, and go start, my friend. Remember, time is running out. You don't want to stay where you are. So, guys, thank you so much for joining again. Thanks again for Michelle being here. And you guys must have a lovely evening. And our Most High keep you and shine His face upon you. Bye, guys. Cheerio.